Joe, what are you doing? Jaguar Power Sports doesn't push mow. We've come a long way. No, Joe. No, Joe, we don't push mow. Robotic. No, Joe. We don't push mow.
In the arms of the angel, from here, from this dark hotel room, and the endless that you feel.
Whoa. Joe, you're gonna have to sit down with ownership, and I'm gonna have to take you off the job until you learn that robotics lawnmowers is the way we do it. That's the way, right there. No more push mowing.
I was talking over with Bob, and he told me you're not on board with the Automowers, so I kind of want to talk to you and try to figure out why that was. The Automowers, it's saving customers so much time and money, it's ridiculous. This is the new wave of the future, and I need you to get on board with us. You know, our customers, for the last 10, 15 customers, we actually have saved them about 80% on their landscaping bill. They only start about 25, 30 bucks a month, and to be completely honest with you, I just bought one as well, and it saves me a lot of time and money to where I can spend time with my son. And I wanted to hear from you on why, you know, you keep on going back to cutting. So what do you have to say? You happen to be wrong, Joel. And, you know, our customers, you know, the proof is in the pudding. We're doing about 25, 30 installs a week, and our customers are only paying about 25 bucks a month. My lawn care bill was 250 bucks a month. And, you know, it's safe around my son. And quite frankly, it's 120 degrees or whatever it is. And, you know, I don't even have to break a sweat because this is fully automated. You know, what do we have to do to get you on board to stop push mowing customers' lawns? I'm just not on board with that. I'm not on board with that, and I'll tell you why. You know, in the next year, you're going to find that all households are going to the Automower. And it's fully robotic, it's fully automatic, you never have to touch it, and it's fully safe. There is nothing you can tell me as a negative about the robotic lawnmowers. It's a great quality product, and quite frankly, once we set it up, we never have to go back to the lawn again to make any kind of adjustments. It's a perfect type of product. Yep. So I'm going to show you some videos and the products on the computer to kind of educate you a little bit more, because I feel like we're actually putting out product-wise, and you're so set in your ways that we just have to get you trained. We have to get you on board, because I guarantee that with the amount of money that you're going to save the customers, that, you know, once you're on board, you're going to see that this is what you need to be selling to your customers, and you're going to see that it's a perfect product for you. So we're going to go through some training videos, and I'm going to show you the website and give you a kind of a little tutorial of what it is, because, you know, we have financing for our customers at 0% interest. I mean, where can you find a product that saves you time, money, that costs you no interest out of pocket? You know, I want to do some more training with you. Is that all right with you? All right, come on around, and we're going to show the computer screen and show you a little bit about all the product lines. Come on, Joe.
With Automower by Husqvarna, who needs you? It's the original yard robot. It goes around your trees and flower beds. It goes up hills up to 30 degrees in grade. Even does narrow areas and walkways. Automower beautifully manicures your lawn automatically. Imagine a lot more mower and a lot less of you. Automower from Husqvarna.
Too many times we live in the past and we don't embrace the technology that's in front of us. The Husqvarna Automower not only saves you time, but money. We've been installing this in local places in Jacksonville for the last several months, and we're saving an average of 80–90% per every customer. At starting at $25 a month, you cannot beat the Husqvarna mowers. Not only are they great quality, they have a 2-year parts and labor warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not 100% satisfied with this product, we can return it for you at no cost. At 0% interest, Synchrony Financings offer exclusive rates to all customers. It is super cheap to own one of these. Get out and give us a call. Visit our website below, www.jaguarpowersports.com, or give us a call at 904-693-1663. If you guys have any questions, please let us know, but these start at just $25 a month. No longer do you have to sweat in the 103-degree blazing heat. We also do a 10% discount for all first responders, and as an exclusive deal for Jaguar Powersports customers only, we will be doing half off install, 0% interest financing, and you will get a free hedge trimmer valued at $399. That's over a $1,500 value for exclusive Jaguar Powersports customers. We hope to earn your business. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to visit our website below at jaguarpowersports.com. We can come out to your house free of charge and do an in-house demo and show you exactly how the robotic lawnmower works. No purchase is necessary. So give us a call, set up your appointment, save time, money, and embrace technology that's in front of you. We hope to earn your business. Give us a call now. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day.